My name is Mike Hebert. I own Fabricari in Kenner, Louisiana. We're a custom metal fabricating company, fabricating bridges, steel, miscellaneous and ornamental metals in a 200-mile radius here in Louisiana. One of the pieces of equipment we have, a beamline coper bought from Predevco, to PCR 42. And what we use that piece of equipment for is to run beams and tubes and angles and channels through that would cut the shape that we need, burn holes, slots and things like that. And what it allows us to do is to push the beams through the shop without having to physically lay it out and then drill it by hand mechanically. So it saves a lot of time. The good part about the PCR dealing with Predevco is that they are located in Canada, which is just north of us. We're in the same time zone. Their staff is very responsive. If we have some issues that we can't figure out, a lot of diagnostics they can do remotely, which helps us and it keeps us up for a longer period of time. So this is our shop. It's 20,000 square feet of fabrication space, and we are totally insulated under roof, and we own property back for another 200 feet behind the building. We're able to get steel in and out fairly easily with the big overhead doors, and our equipment is located such that it kind of helps us in maintaining and maximizing the square footage that we have in our building. The beam line we have, the Predevco PCR 42, is located outside. We chose to build it outside so we didn't take up floor space in the shop. And we have it such that the conveyors roll right into our shop. So as beams are loaded behind the building and runs through the beam line, the finished product will come right into our shop. There's some parts right there on a cart that we have done, and they come in and we just clean them up and get them ready for fabrication.